थार रॉक्स एक ऐसी कार है जो काफ़ी बदनाम है एक दबंग वाला इमेज के लिए और काफ़ी ज़्यादा हुलिगनिज्म और एक नॉनसेंस क्रिएट करने के लिए। बट आज जो हमारे साथ ओनर है वो काफ़ी डिफरेंट है। वो एक सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग प्रोफेशनल है। उन्होंने ये कार ली है डेली ऑफिस कम्यूट के लिए और अपनी फैमिली टाइम एंजॉय करने के लिए। उन्होंने ऐसा क्यों किया, उनको इस कार के बारे क्या अच्छा लगता है, क्या नहीं अच्छा लगता है, एंड फाइनली हिज वर्डिक्ट। हाय मनीष, वेलकम टू द शो। मनीष, प्लेजर होस्टिंग
Hi
यू।
Prashant.
पहले ही क्वेश्चन जो हमारी ऑडियंस आपसे जानना चाहेगी, दैट व्हाट इज द स्टोरी बिहाइंड व्हील्स।
So I always had an aspirational value for this car. ये गाड़ी एक लैडर फ्रेम कार, एक SUV मुझे हमेशा से पसंद थी, इवन जब मैं बहुत छोटा था। बट बैक इन 2016 जब मैंने अपनी फर्स्ट कार, जो मेरा फर्स्ट लव भी था, मैंने जब उसको लूज किया एंड आई मेड अ कॉम्प्रोमाइज बाय बाइंग अ हैचबैक एंड दैट इज व्हेन आई रियलाइज दैट दिस इज नॉट समथिंग आई रियली वांटेड टू डू एंड दैट इज व्हेन आई टारगेटेड दैट इन लॉन्ग रन इन कमिंग ईयर्स आई रियली वांट टू गेट दिस कार।
तो जब आपने ये कार लिया तो कोई ऐसे भी थे आपके फ्रेंड्स या फैमिली जो आपके डिसीजन के अगेंस्ट थे, लाइक देयर वाज एनी डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन इन बाइंग
सो
दिस कार?
डिफरेंसेस ऑफ ओपिनियन स्पेशली फॉर दिस कार तो डेफिनेटली था, बिकॉज लैडर फ्रेम एसयूवीज यूजुअली हमारी फैमिलीज में या सर्कल में किसी के पास नहीं है, तो everybody had an apprehension regarding the ride quality, the interior quality, the body roll and lot of things. But the moment ये गाड़ी ली और the moment I invited them to have a ride, I think उनका जो opinion था वो completely flip around हो गया।
और किसी ने ये नहीं बोला कि आप ये कार क्यों ले रहे हो, इट्स नॉट अ फैमिली कार, इसमें तो काफी ज्यादा दबंगे टाइप के लोग घूमते हैं।
I would agree, like people cannot relate this to a family car, but I would like to tell the viewers, if it is a Thar Rocks 5-door, this is definitely a family car and I take my family around the entire city. And yes, मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोला कि आप ये गाड़ी मत लो, but I was pretty clear because this was an aspiration, this was a dream for me, and that I always wanted a ladder frame car. So I had only two options, which is one is Thar Rocks and one was Scorpio N.
And Manish, this is petrol engine or diesel engine?
This is petrol.
This is petrol, and this is not 4x4, right?
This is 4x2, yes.
And any reason for not going with the 4x4? मतलब 4x4 आपने क्यों नहीं लिया? Because Thar is known for this 4x4.
I understand, but primarily I am a city guy or a highway guy whereby 4x4 is not required. And I'm not a person who would want to throw around his car, on the trails or on the. And one more reason, being in Delhi NCR, you have to be very watchful if you're going for a diesel. Because of the government norms, of course.
Norms, yeah.
So petrol engine was a safe bet for me.
And also for the long-term users, I think
Yes.
petrol engine is much
Yes,
more
it
refined,
is.
and the government regulations also is kind of
Yes.
getting really stringent.
Yes.
Which variant is this, and how much you paid the price?
So this is the top end variant, which is the AXM luxury model, and I got it in December 2025. And year end sale में मुझे ये exactly पड़ी 21 lakhs की.
So Manish, one most interesting question is that Thar Rocks is all-time favorite for the off-roaders. But if I ask you that what is one of the wow things, सबसे favorite चीज क्या है आपका इस कार के बारे में?
So सबसे favorite चीज है इसकी power. It's just a touch of the pedal away, and the 2-liter engine, it's a high efficiency engine. So power is the best thing about this car,
तो
and it's readily available throughout the torque band.
Throughout the torque band.
Second best thing I love about this car is the beauty part, which is the road presence. It is definitely a head turner. Wherever you go with this car, people are going to look back on what, and especially the white color. I think it feels more majestic and visual. The visual of this car looks bigger.
It's a beauty, I must say.
So basically, with the given engine power and the road presence, it's the beauty and the beast concept.
इसको आपका कोई recent memory जो which is the most special with this car, any road trip or something?
So it was the initial first 500 kilometers. I took this car to Lansdowne with my friends, and there was a bad patch of road जहाँ पे मैं hatchback की muscle memory थी, so I was just following the cars, and all of a sudden I realized that what I could really do with this car, and I just drifted from the road and I took an off-road, and that is when I really understood the capability of this car. It's a 4x2 car, but it's still very much capable.
But it's a complete off-roader, I must say.
Yes.
And with that, if I ask you that, अच्छी चीज तो आपने बता दिया, that is the performance and the punchy ride it has, that's really amazing. But एक चीज ऐसी क्या है जो which is kind of a downside of this car, which is kind of negative for this car?
So negative, I would say, so on an average daily running में इसका mileage is good, but if you are stuck in a stop and go bumper to bumper traffic, especially which is there in Delhi NCR,
right,
the mileage might drop below 5. And I think that is very, very less. If you're on the running, if you're on the go, I think it's going to give you 8 to 9. That is
8 to
perfectly
9.
fine.
So what is the real figure we can expect in the city and on the highway?
So in my experience, I have been driving since last 4 months, almost 6,000 kilometers on the Odo, and I'm driving from Delhi to Gurgaon to and from daily basis with an average of 70 kilometers. I'm getting 8 and a half
8.5 आपको city में मिल
within
जाएगा.
city traffic.
And in highway
In highways, I'm touching 11 and a half.
11.5. That's a
Yes.
pretty decent
That's a
mileage.
pretty decent mileage. I
Decent
would
mileage
say.
for a 2 liter. So Manish, this is a rapid fire round and quick questions. 3 loves.
Road presence, power, and suspension.
Suspension, all right, great. And 3 hates जो आपको इस कार के बारे में नहीं पसंद है.
You need to be planned about the parking spaces. Fuel range it shows, which is not correct, and stop and go traffic में mileage.
Mileage is a major issue, like
Yes.
you mentioned. And mileage कितना देती है? That's the important question. What is the mileage?
If you're on the go, 8 to 9 is what you can expect within the city.
Highway.
Highways पे 11.
Okay, great. And if I give you a kind of a one superpower where you can still one of the feature आप अपने competition से एक feature चोरी कर सकते हैं, तो what will be that one feature?
I think it will be the pedal shifters.
Pedal shifters, great. And what is one adjective that defines your car? कोई एक आप adjective देना चाहेंगे अपने कार को which defines your car?
Dominant.
Dominant, perfect. And if I give you a time machine and you can go back to the time, for example, when you actually bought this car, then would you buy this car and what would be the rating of this car on a scale of 10?
I think I would exactly buy the same car and the same color, and rating would be 8 out of 10.
And why there is a deduction of 2 marks?
Because every rider will not be able to catch the mileage part. That is a part which might lose some of the customers.
Great. So that's all from our side, and Manish has been really patient in kind of managing the time for the Thar Rocks ownership story. And if you have any question, any queries for him, you can put down in the comments. We'll be more than happy to answer.
Sure.
Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Do subscribe the channel. Shabak Khair, and thank you so much.